So, I guess we should welcome the hosts. I'm Trent.
I'm Kevin.
I'm Kevin.
And we are hosting In the Closet. So today we're going to be talking about the myth of does cracking your knuckles, or just bones in general,
cause arthritis?
Yeah. Basically, is it whack to knuckle crack? Kevin, you crack your knuckles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kevin, you do?
I religiously crack my knuckles.
I do too. You know why they crack?
No, I do not know why they crack.
Actually, I know why they crack. Little nitrogen bubbles form in between your bones, and when you pop them or pull on them, they release a gas, and it makes a popping noise. And it actually relieves pressure too.
But is that bad? Do we know?
Numerous long-term studies have been conducted to see if they do anything from popping those nitrogen. Nothing's been shown of it. This doctor actually conducted, what was his name again?
Donald Unger.
Yes, Donald Unger actually conducted this knuckle popping experiment where he cracked, what was it, his left hand?
Yeah.
For
60 years.
For 60 years. And he'd gotten numerous other doctors to x-ray it and to vision his hand. Nothing was shown of it. No arthritis, no anything.
It's also just an old wives' tale that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis in the first place. I feel like Kevin has something to say on this.
Well, I was told by my noon duty in second grade that it was true.
What you mean it was true?
She told me that when you crack your knuckles, you get arthritis when in your 60s.
In your 60s? I don't think I care about my body in my 60s, my guy.
I think I'm already planning for my 60s to be old and decrepit and slowly dying.
I mean, yeah, this is the way to go. Just ball out when you're young. Back to the topic of other experiments from other doctors. There were two that were conducted on a much older population, like for 10 years or something. And they cracked one hand, and it was around 300 people, all old. Nothing changed in their knuckles or anything. Kevin, go off. Go off on your noon duty real quick.
Well, I don't want to though.
What do you mean you don't want to?
With her. She's probably dead by now. I don't have to deal with that.
You ain't cool with. you ain't cool with going off on your new duty, even though she
lied to me. Got me self-conscious about my knuckles.
Look
around.
My man is playing Clash.
No.
You were. I saw you. I know, but you were until you started Googling her for some reason.
You weren't.
So while Kevin tries to find his noon duty on his school's website, I'm just gonna, cracking your knuckles does nothing. It's a thing.
Some people use it as a stress reliever or an anxiety reliever, or they just do it. It's personal preference.
I just do it because it's fun. I think it's about time we're gonna come out of the closet now.
And
I guess we'll see you next time.
You can't say that.
What do you mean I can't say that?
we're in a closet right now.
Yeah.
It is time to come out of the closet.
We're gonna come out of it's gonna...
That's why the podcast is named In the Closet.
Like I said, this man is playing Clash right now. Yes, you are.
Any group.
Kevin, I can see it on your phone, bruh.